So today we are going to set up our browser and Burp suite for use. So first thing you should do is check that the Burp's proxy listener is active or not. So go to Burp and then go to the tools. After that, select proxy. Select the proxy settings. In the proxy listeners panel, you should see an entry for the interface 127.0.0.1. It's on port 8080 with the running checkbox selected, indicating that the listener is active and running. If so, everything is fine and you can move on to configuring your browser. So I'm not showing you how to download Burpsuite because it's very easy. You just need to search download Burpsuite. You will also find lots of tutorial for free, so that's why I'm not wasting anyone's time by showing how to download Burpsuite. So you just need to go to, we'll work with the community edition, so go straight to downloads, and after that you will just select whatever operating system you're using. I'm using Linux 64-bit, that's why it's selected. If you are using Windows, you will select this one, and after that you will just press download and it will get downloaded, and after that it's just click and go sort of download process. So I don't think you need to make a video for how you can download Burpsuite. So after seeing your proxy settings, so we will now configure Firefox. In Firefox menu, select this tab, go to preferences or settings, in select the manual proxy configuration option. So in settings you should write network, and you can see network settings, go to settings. So it's saying configure proxy access to the internet. So select the manual proxy configuration option and enter your Burp's proxy listener address in the HTTP proxy field, which is 127.0.0.1, and we've seen that the port is running on 8080. Make sure the use this proxy server for all protocol box is checked. So you should make sure you are checking this box which is saying also use this proxy for HTTPS, and delete anything that appears in the no proxy for the field. Click OK and close all the dialogues. So this is how you can configure your Firefox for running Burpsuite. So for me, I think this option, by going to settings of Firefox and going to network settings and configuring it by doing manual proxy configuration, it's a bit tedious. So I generally prefer to use Foxy proxy for enabling the proxy settings. So the way you can do it is go to your browser, Firefox browser, and search Foxy proxy Firefox, and you will see this extension. So I've installed this extension, and you will see a add option, and you should select the add option for installing Foxy proxy, and this is how it looks basically, this extension. So I'll show you how to configure this. So as you can see, it's saying Burpsuite. So if I show you the options, so basically what you need to do is you'll just write anything you want to. I've written Burpsuite. The proxy type will be HTTP, and the proxy IP address will be the local IP address 127.0.0.1, and the port will be 8080. The same thing we did in the manual proxy settings, or we have seen in this proxy settings of Burpsuite, that is 127.0.0.1, and its port is 8080. So after doing all this, you just need to save the options, and next time if you want to proxy anything, you just need to go to this option of your Foxy proxy, and you just need to click Burpsuite, and other proxy settings will get on, and you don't need to go to your settings of Firefox and do this each and every time for the manual proxy settings. It will be just one click away from you, and if you want to turn off the proxy, you will just turn off by clicking this button. So this is how I think it is more easy to use a proxy setting by doing Foxy proxy. So the next thing you should do is go to this option, http:/burpsuite, and you need to install a CA certificate, because we can now proxy the settings of all the HTTP protocol websites, but for HTTPS intercepting the traffic, we need a Burp's CA certificate, and it will enable us to intercept and look at the requests and response of HTTPS protocol certificate by using Burp. So we need to install CA certificate for this. So for you, and make sure that your Burp is running and your proxy is also enabled, and go to this http://burp suite option, and here you can find the Burp suite community edition CA certificate, and just click this CA certificate, and you can see it has got downloaded. And the next thing you should do is go to your settings, type certificates in the search option, view certificate, and just import the downloaded certificate. Just click it here and open, and it will get imported. So I'm not doing it because I have already installed the Burp suite CA certificate. So let me show you. So here you can see this is the certificate, is Portswigger CA, software security device. So this is how you can import the CA certificate of Burp suite. After this, close and restart your Firefox. With Burp still running, try and browse to any HTTPS URL, and everything will work fine, and you should be able to browse any page without any security warnings. Let's see. Let's say we're intercepting the website Tesla. So if I go to the menu option and go to vehicles, you can see it's intercepting the request from Tesla, and you can see that it is a GET request and this is a POST request. So this is happening because you have downloaded and successfully imported the CA certificate from this URL, going to this URL. So this was all about how you can configure Burp suite and how it can be done easily. So this is how I think it's most efficient way, because we can use Foxy proxy, which is basically an efficient and easy management of proxy settings in the web browsers, and it's commonly used in web browsers to manage and switch between different proxy servers. So we can easily switch servers also, and we can easily turn off and turn on our proxy settings by this Foxy proxy, and we can easily intercept by the Burp suite. So this was all about the settings we need to enable and configure for using Burp suite community edition. So from the next video, we will start learning about the dashboard and all the tools used here, and we will do some exciting stuff. So this is how you configure your Burp suite for use. Thank you.